Day 67. Yesterday you learned about the concept of backtest. Today you're going to learn about something that makes backtests and algorithms actually readable. Right now, your algorithm runs and produces results, but you can't see what it was thinking. You don't know what decisions it made or why or when. That's where log comes in. So, what is log? Log is a method in QuantConnect that lets your algorithm write messages to the output console so that you can see what it's doing, when it's doing it, and why. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have the black box flight recorder. On the right, log. Imagine an aircraft's black box. It records everything: altitude, speed, decisions, warnings throughout the entire flight. If something goes wrong, investigators can play it back and understand exactly what happened and when. The black box here says, record what's happening so you can reconstruct it later. Log works exactly the same way. Your algorithm writes messages as it runs, which in this case is when a condition is met, when an order is placed, when a value crosses a threshold. All of that gets recorded in the console, so you can read through it after the backtest completes. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of log in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. Log messages affect the trades your algorithm makes, true or false. And the correct answer is false. Log only writes to the output console. It has no effect on your algorithm's logic, its orders, or its positions. It is purely for observation. It lets you see what's happening without changing any of it.